What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Stelly Grills and Chills, and today we doing some leftover turkey. And guess what? We making tacos out of it. That's why we chopping up this turkey meat. And hey, it's gonna be real tasty because I know you need something real tasty to do with all them leftovers. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So I went on, pulled out my griddle, y'all. And then of course I hit it with that spritzy spritz. You know, just that little olive oil in that little spray bottle, y'all. Works so well. Instead of buying that aerosol can, you can always just do this. And once we get that oil down real well, we're going to add our turkey meat. Just to warm it up, get a little color on that turkey meat. Now I'm using turkey thigh meat today. And then we're going to get our shells down. Now I'm using corn taco shells today. You can use flour or corn, whichever one you like. And of course with this turkey, it's already cooked. You don't want to dry it out, so you just want to keep mixing it, just warming it up real good. Now of course we're just warming our corn tortilla, and we're just warming our chicken. But to our chicken, we're going to add some of this gochujang. Just a little sauce, it's kind of spicy. Gonna make that turkey taste real good though, y'all. Trust me. And if you don't have this, you can just add you any type of spicy sauce you got. Sriracha, just hot sauce, whatever you like, you know. Do it to your taste buds, y'all. Do it to your taste buds. But anyway, we're gonna give that a good mix. Get that sauce incorporated into that turkey. Make sure we get that shell cooked really well. And we're going to start getting that turkey off that grill and build our tacos, y'all. Now, of course, after we get that good turkey meat down, we're going to start adding our toppings. Now for me, I want to have me some sour cream. You know how they say it, just do a dollop of daisy. Y'all know that commercial. Then we gonna add some chopped lettuce. Well, shredded lettuce, my bad. Get us some fresh salsa. Now I made this salsa with some fresh tomatoes. And hey, if you want that recipe, just holler at your boy. Leave it in the comments and you know I'll get it to you. And oh yeah, you know you can't forget that cheese. Gotta have that cheese, y'all. The one thing that I was missing that I really wish I would have had with this was some avocado, but hey, can't get everything you want every time. But anyway, let's go and give this a taste. And see, that's what I'm talking about. Always tasting so good. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.